Hello everyone! Digital transformation has today a big impact on how services are delivered as well as on the customer experience. The ultimate business goal is to make the right product or service, deliver it to the right customer for the right price. Industry 4.0 represents more than a fully connected manufacturing environment, where all equipment is online, intelligent, and capable of making decisions with vast degrees of autonomy. In this international webinar, I would like to invite you to join a great discussion with Simon Klink, a STAUFEN Digital Neonex expert, who is responsible for leading a lot of digital transformation and Industry 4.0 projects around the globe. The discussion will be moderated by me and Arturo Medellin, the General Manager of STAUFEN Americas in Mexico. What are we going to talk about? Background of Industry 4.0 and digitalization, smart factory design principles, digitalization and transparency on the shop floor, STAUFEN success stories of digitalization. Register now and save this date on your calendar. See you there.